living on the street unexpectedly chases his daughter all the way home. So, what happens at the end of this suspenseful chase?
Open the door.
No, go away.
Why you? I got something for you.
No, I'm not falling for it. Go away.
Why would fall for what? What are you talking about? You think I'm a bad person?
Yes, you were following me.
What? I see you every day.
Never seen you in my life. Go away.
I get it. A lot of people don't notice me. I get it. You know, I got your wallet. You dropped your wallet.
What?
You dropped your wallet.
That's my wallet?
I got asthma. I can't.
I don't understand. You weren't chasing me?
I had my stuff stolen before by the people I'm around, and everybody around me was looking at your wallet. So I was the first to pick it up. So I picked up your wallet, and I made sure they didn't steal it, because if they stole it, they wasn't gonna give it back. So I stole it first, and then I followed you. And then when I followed you, you got scared and you ran. But I was only trying to give you back your wallet, because I know what it's like to have my stuff stolen. I don't have much, but I can imagine no one cares enough to give you your stuff back, but I do. So I'm sorry if I scared you, but I was only trying to help.
I was definitely scared, but I don't want you to think that I was scared of you or anything you did. It was when I was a little girl, a man who wore clothes a lot like this, he followed me and my mom, and he stole everything from her. He hit her, and he stole her purse and everything inside. So I'm so sorry that I was so prejudiced when I saw you following me, but I was thinking back to that
It's
time.
Cool. It's great. It's okay.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. This was so kind of you. Actually, I'm sorry.
All of us are not thieves, and all of us can.
Okay.
And you know, I hope next time you pass me up, you recognize me this time, because I've seen you come past me the last 5 months in a row.
I'm so sorry. What's your name?
Samuel.
Samuel?
Samuel.
Samuel, I'm Marshall. It's nice to you brought me my whole wallet back. Can I give you a hug? Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah, I'm sure you are. I'm sorry to make you run with asthma.
Okay. Well, I hope you have a good afternoon.
You too. Thank you.